Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to split one column into two in Excel. Let's start by opening Excel. There you will see the data to divide. When you are here, select the column where the data is. Then you are going to go to the Data menu, and there you will click on Text to Columns. First, leave the delimited box active. Click on Next. After this, check the boxes, tab, and space. Below you can see the new design. Then, in the next window, leave the general box active and apply the changes by clicking Finish. As a result, you will see the data divided into columns in Excel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.